Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to export in Adobe Illustrator. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Illustrator, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Exporting files in Adobe Illustrator is a simple process, and you just have to follow these simple steps. Once you've opened the Adobe Illustrator, I want you to click the file that you wanted to export. I'm going to click on new file. I'm going to drag some file here. Now this is the file that I wanted to export. Okay, I'm gonna press Control. I'm gonna zoom out for you guys so you can see it. It's very easy really, because all I have to do is go to the file section. There should be an option that says export. So you have all these options. You can export for screens, which is gonna be the shortcut is Alt plus Control plus E. If you click that, what would happen is you have this option. All right. Assets, artboards, and of course you have all these options. You can choose all the documents that you wanted to export, and you have all these. All right, and of course from there you might want to choose the format. Is it going to be scale or format? And click on export artboard. Now again, on the same page, go to the file, export as. All right, which is what will happen is you can have an option for different file formats: Autodesk, Real DWG, BMP, CSS, JPEG, PNG, Photoshop, or PSD, or SVG, which is best for web, TIFF, Target, text format, and a lot more. And all I gotta do is click on the export. All right, so these are gonna be the easiest way for you to export here in Adobe Illustrator. Now, similarly, if you wanted to export this into the web version, it's the same thing. Export, save for web, for legacy. You have all these options. All right, make sure you tweak all of them to your preferences and needs, because you can try to tweak the settings here for width, height, and percent. And from here, all I'm gonna do again is click the preview button to make sure that the exported file for web is the optimal file size. All right, and from here, click on done and click on save. It's very easy to export files here in Adobe Illustrator. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.